Did you know you can run a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face, and even make money without joining the YouTube Partner Program? That's what's possible with YouTube automation. Today, I'll break down exactly how it works, how to set it up, and all the different ways you can earn from it, even before you qualify for ads. Let's start with the basics. YouTube automation isn't about robots running your channel. It's about building a system, a mini production team that handles the heavy lifting. Instead of doing everything yourself, you outsource tasks like scripting, voiceover, editing, and thumbnails. Your role is like the director. You pick the niche, guide the content, and keep the workflow moving. The beauty? You don't have to be on camera or even use your own voice if you don't want to. Most creators quit because they get stuck in the grind, recording, editing, uploading, all by themselves. It's exhausting. Automation flips that. Instead of being the worker, you become the manager. That lets you scale faster by publishing more videos, experiment with multiple niches or even multiple channels. Treat YouTube like a real business instead of a hobby. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Choose a niche. Go for topics that people search for daily, like finance, tech, self-improvement, storytelling, or news recaps. Step 2. Research ideas. Use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or even YouTube search trends. Step 3. Write a script. Keep it conversational and designed to hold attention. Step 4. Get a voiceover. You can hire narrators on Fiverr or Upwork, or even use high-quality AI voice tools. Step 5. Send it to an editor. They'll add stock footage, B-roll, text animations, and sound effects. Step 6. Add a professional thumbnail, an SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. Now you have a complete content pipeline. You're not the bottleneck anymore. Now here's the part most people miss. You don't have to wait for YouTube ads to pay you. In fact, there are multiple income streams you can plug into your channel from day one. Affiliate marketing. Add affiliate links in your description. If you review products, books, apps, or software, you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Sponsorships and brand deals. Even small channels with a targeted audience can land sponsors. Brands care about reaching the right people, not just huge subscriber counts. Digital products. Create and sell your own ebooks, templates, courses, or guides. If your niche is self-improvement, you could sell a productivity tracker. If it's finance, maybe a budgeting spreadsheet. Merchandise. Sell physical products like t-shirts, mugs, or niche-specific items through print-on-demand services. Email marketing. Use your videos to grow an email list. Later, you can promote your own offers or affiliate deals directly. Freelance services. If you get good at running automation channels, you can offer this as a service to other creators and businesses. And yes, once your channel qualifies, you can also earn from the YouTube Partner Program through ads. But that's just one stream. Smart creators diversify. Here's the big takeaway. YouTube automation is not about quick hacks. It's about systems. You build a pipeline, delegate the work, and focus on growth. Over time, this turns into an asset that pays you from multiple directions: ads, affiliates, sponsors, and products. It's not about being famous. It's about building a business around attention. So now you know what complete YouTube automation really is and how you can earn even without YouTube ads. If you want more step-by-step guides like this, hit subscribe, and let's keep building your channel the smart way.